Hey, all you young go-getters out there. Congratulations on landing your first job and earning your very first salary. This is an exciting milestone, and I bet you are itching to splurge on that dream gadget, take a lavish vacation, or dine at the fanciest restaurants. But hold on, before you swipe that card or empty that wallet, let us talk about what you should really do with your hard-earned money. At the end of this video, I am going to tell you how you can become a millionaire by saving a little money every month. So, keep watching till the end. Meet Sarah, a fresh graduate who just received her first paycheck. She was ecstatic, feeling like she had the world at her feet. She went on a shopping spree, treating herself to all the things she had wanted for so long. But soon, reality hit her like a ton of bricks. Bills piled up, unexpected expenses arose, and she realized that she had barely anything left to save. Stress and worry consumed her, and she wished she had made wiser choices with her first salary. Now, let us rewind a bit and meet Emily, another recent graduate. When she got her first paycheck, she took a different approach. She was excited too, but she paused and thought about her future. She knew the power of proper financial planning, and she made a conscious decision to invest a portion of her salary wisely. Fast forward a few months, and Emily felt more in control of her finances. She had built an emergency fund, started saving for her dream vacation, and even invested in her retirement. Now, you might be wondering what the difference between Sarah and Emily is. The answer lies in one word: financial planning. With your first salary, you have the excellent opportunity to set the stage for a secure financial future. So, here is what you should do with that hard-earned money. Now, I know you may want to first spend your money for a few years before planning for investment. This is the worst mistake many youngsters make. The earlier you start investing, the better it is. A minimum of 30% of your income should go into investing. Investing at an early age gives your money more time to grow, thanks to the magic of compounding. Where to invest? I will tell you at the end of this video. And this investing will make you a millionaire sooner than you believe. If you have any outstanding debts with high interest rates, like credit card debt or personal loans, focus on paying them off as soon as possible. High interest debts can be a financial burden, and clearing them will free up more money for your future investments. And do not create additional debt for unnecessary expenses like buying an expensive phone or a car, etc. at this stage. You should first buy a health insurance, as healthcare in most of the countries is awfully expensive. Try to take a policy which gives you comprehensive coverage including hospitalization. More about it in a separate video. A little later in life, you should think about life insurance always. But with first salary, take a health insurance plan. And now, the simple trick to become a millionaire. Do a systematic investment every month in an index fund from a good mutual fund. If you invest as little as $1,500 per month for 18 years, you will be having more than $1 million in your account, going by the historic return on index funds. Isn't that wonderful? $1,500 initially may seem a little higher, but will become much easier to save and invest as your salary grows. The trick is to be disciplined, never miss a single month of investments, and do not withdraw your invested money. In many countries, index funds have given 14 to 15% per annum return. The above calculation is based on only 12% per annum return. In conclusion, resist the temptation to splurge all your first salary. Instead, take control of your financial future by following these 3 steps. Proper financial planning will set you on the path to financial freedom and ensure that you can enjoy life without financial worries. So, go ahead, make your money work for you, and let your first salary be the stepping stone towards a brighter and more prosperous future. Remember, the key is to start early and invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments below what you plan to do with your first salary. And as always, stay tuned for more practical financial tips and advice. Until next time, stay financially savvy.